Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video we are actually going to speak about sponsorships, how to get them, the websites that offer you sponsorships, and what's the actual procedure. So guys, without wasting any time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for new awesome videos related to tech, unboxing, gameplay, and there is another channel coming up, maybe that will be announced soon. So stay subscribed and make sure you continue watching this video until the end to know the entire procedure. So guys, without wasting any time, let's roll the intro. Hi guys, welcome back. So how do you get a sponsorship? So the minimum requirement is mostly to have 500 followers on Insta, or if you want sponsorships for your YouTube channel, then you can always do that. For that, you'll need to have minimum of 300, 400, or stretch like 1000, 2000, or even more. When you have more than 1000 or 10,000 subscribers, you automatically get sponsorships from the companies, but then the scenario is different in both the cases. So in the first case, when you have enough amount of subscribers, you will get the sponsorship invites from the companies through your email. So make sure you give your email in the description of your videos as well as in the channel's about section. What this does is it will just allow the companies to contact you by you yourself giving your email ID in the description. You can always hide it by having that option like view email address until the person clicks the button. They don't get the email address, and you can always have the Google captcha box, I guess. Yeah, I have never tried that, but there is the view email address button in the about section of Technoxity. So that's the first way. But then what to do when you have less amount of subscribers? I'll give you a format in the description. Just change a few things in it and try approaching different companies. So most important companies that offer you sponsorships with a low subscriber count are the DU Recorder. That's an application that will help you record your screen, and it also monetizes your videos by having its own advertisements by adding it when you apply the video for monetization in the DU Screen Recorder application. So make sure you check it out. I searched it on Play Store, but then it's taken down from the Play Store. It's available on the Google search. You can just go ahead and search for DU Recorder. Latest APK, you can just go ahead, download it, and check out other videos on YouTube to get your videos monetized. And that's the way. And other application that will help you do that is the Rosezen application. You can always open up the Rosezen application website on Google, and then scroll down, and you can just apply for sponsorships. And that's the second application I know about, which is famously used by YouTubers for promotion and doing that. And then the Nostra Gamers, then MPL. There are all such stuffs that you see on YouTube that have a repeated sponsor. You see videos where the sponsored content displays on the screen. So you make sure such applications, you can just open up Google, search for the websites, and go contact the support team, or you can always go ahead and check out the main email address of theirs and then just DM them. And that's the way. But then there are some websites that officially offer you sponsorships. So we talked about 10k subscribers. Let's come down a little bit. Let's talk about 5,000 subscribers. When you have 5,000 subscribers, you need not search anywhere. You can just go to the official YouTube's website, that is FameBit, where sponsors meet creators, and that is the place where you can actually get sponsored. You can just go ahead, search the best deal suited for you. You can just go increase or decrease the amount of money you get for each video. So the basic amount, like the minimum requirement is 5,000 subscribers, and after that you get $50 a video on getting sponsored from the FameBit official website. So FameBit was actually an individual website, I guess, and then YouTube merged it with itself, and now it is maintained by the official YouTube team. So you don't have to worry about the payment. The payment will be received, and it is a little bit more secure than the third-party applications. So that's the other way. So the last one, talking about the last one, there is this website that will help you guys earn or get sponsored like for any product, and maybe you need to wait a little while to get approved. So then you can just do that. Like the website link will be in the description, that is dealspotter.com. I actually wanted to record the screen and show you the entire process, so the video will become too long, so I don't want to do that. And let me just tell you like and briefing up about the whole website. The website Deal Spotter is basically a place where it kind of Famebit website where the influencers or the sponsors meet the influencers. You just need to sign up with all of your social media platforms, that is YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all your handles, and it gives you a influencer score. Based on your influencer score, you can go get the deals. But then when you have a very low influencer count, you don't get enough deals. You can always go check out different varieties of deals. There are categories where you can go ahead and check out. There are electronic based categories, there are makeup based categories. You can always go check them out and then apply for the ones which you might be eligible for, and there will be a warning shown below every like deal, and you need to make sure you apply on the appropriate one, because you need to have a minimum amount of influencer score to get into a particular deal. So that's the sponsorship part of it. So let me just add on to this. There is a website that can monetize your videos. If you have actually watched the previous video on Technoxity, that was about how to monetize your YouTube videos without getting the AdSense account verified. So if you don't want AdSense that pays you 60% out of the 100% that advertisers pay YouTube, you can always go for a website that is called freedom.com that pays you 70% out of which like they keep 30% from the advertisers out of 100. So you are benefited 10% more as well. You are getting your channel reviewed quickly rather than wasting the extra watch time that you get after you apply for the review. So that was the other way, and it actually supports you guys with giving the proper tags, editing ideas, and a lot of stuff like that. You can just go join the Freedom team. I actually signed up for the same site, but then I didn't have enough number of subscribers, so my channel was not eligible. But then when it will be, I'll just try to do that as well. So that was all about sponsorships and monetization. Hope you guys understood all of the topic here in this video, and make sure you like the video, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.